How to Do Anything Television brings you a new video to show you guys in this tutorial how to password protect a PDF file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a PDF file which we will be adding the password to. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's focus on the desktop. We have test.pdf, click on this, file, go to file, go to export, and then go to permissions. Now let's click on require a password to open document. Let's now choose a very basic password for the purpose of this tutorial, then go down to where it says owner password. Let's use the same password, and now click on apply, click on save. This will then say the file already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, we do, as we are adding a password to that file. Click on replace. Let's now quit preview. Let's go to the desktop, and here we have test.pdf, which has a lock on the logo of the file. If I were to double click on this, the document is password protected. Please enter the password below. Enter, and there we go. So we can now quit preview. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.